There's something special about giving new life to kitchen waste, especially when it can help your garden thrive. One of the best examples of this is using orange peels. Most people throw them away after eating an orange, but these peels are actually full of nutrients and natural oils that plants love. By reusing them, you're not only saving money but also helping the environment by reducing waste. Plus, orange peels smell great and can help protect your plants from pests and diseases. Here are 3 easy and effective ways to use orange peels in your garden. Each method is simple to follow and can make a big difference in how your plants grow. Start saving orange peels every time you enjoy the fruit. Once you've collected the peels from about 10 to 12 oranges, you're ready to make a powerful liquid for your garden. This orange peel water is full of nutrients like potassium and natural oils that plants need to grow strong and stay healthy. You'll also need about 10 liters of water. If you can use rainwater, that's even better because it's softer and more natural for plants. Place the orange peels into a bucket filled with the water. Make sure the peels are completely under the water, and then loosely cover the bucket to allow air to flow while keeping dirt out. Let this mixture sit for 3 days. During this time, the water will absorb all the goodness from the orange peels, turning into a rich, plant-loving liquid. After 3 days, you can use the orange peel water in 2 ways. The first is very simple. Just pour the water directly at the base of your plants. This helps the roots absorb nutrients and boosts growth. You may notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and healthier flowers or fruits after a few uses. The leftover peels can go into your compost pile to further enrich your garden soil. The second way is to turn the water into a foliar spray. First, strain the liquid to remove any small bits of peel. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and mist it over your plant leaves. This method gives nutrients directly to the leaves and also works as a natural pest repellent. Many garden bugs dislike the strong citrus scent and will stay away. This spray is especially helpful for keeping aphids, whiteflies, and other soft-bodied pests off your plants. It's a gentle and natural way to protect your garden. In this second method, you'll turn your dried orange peels into a useful powder. Begin by drying the peels until they become crisp. You can leave them in the sun for a few days, or use an oven or dehydrator to speed up the process. The goal is to remove all moisture so the peels can be ground into powder. Once the peels are completely dry, break them into small pieces and put them in a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This orange peel powder is full of nutrients like calcium and potassium and has natural pest-repelling properties. You can use this powder in 2 ways. The first is to sprinkle it directly on the soil around your plants. This will slowly release nutrients as the powder breaks down, helping your plants grow strong. It also keeps pests away from the soil near your plant roots. This method is great for vegetables, flowers, and fruit trees alike. The second way is to make a natural spray. Take about 5 tablespoons of the powder and mix it with 1 liter of warm water. Stir it well and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes so the nutrients and oils can mix into the water. Then strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray this mixture on the top and bottom of plant leaves. This spray not only nourishes your plants, but also protects them from pests like ants, aphids, and spider mites. The citrus smell confuses pests, making it harder for them to find the plant. Regular use of this powder spray strengthens your plants and keeps insects away without the need for harmful chemicals. It also improves soil health, since the powder adds organic matter and helps fight fungal infections. It's a simple, natural way to take care of your garden using something you'd normally throw in the trash. This final method is great if your plants are under attack from pests and you need something strong but safe. All you need are fresh orange peels, hot water, and a bit of mild dish soap. Start by tearing the orange peels into smaller pieces and placing them in a container filled with very warm but not boiling water. Let the peels soak for 30 minutes as the water cools and absorbs the oils from the peels. After soaking, take out the peels and squeeze them by hand to release more juice into the water. Strain the liquid into a clean spray bottle to remove any leftover bits. Now add 4 tablespoons of mild dish soap. Make sure it doesn't have bleach or harsh chemicals. The soap helps the spray stick to plant leaves and also breaks down soft-bodied insects. Shake the bottle well and spray the mixture on both sides of the plant leaves. Do this in the early morning or late evening when the sun is gentle. Avoid spraying during the hot part of the day to protect the leaves. This spray does many things. It keeps pests away, helps clean the leaves, and protects the plant from fungus and bacteria. It's especially good for soft-bodied insects like aphids and spider mites. You can also spray it around the base of the plants to stop crawling insects from reaching the stems. Since it's made from natural ingredients, it's safe to use on vegetables, herbs, and even indoor plants. Many gardeners have seen amazing results using this spray. Leaves become cleaner and shinier, pests disappear, and plant health improves quickly. It's a smart way to reuse orange peels and care for your plants at the same time. If you enjoyed these ideas and want more tips on natural fertilizers and garden care, visit our channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a gardening secret.